Hello, Bettina. How you doing? I've got your presentation queued up right here. Okay, and I want to take a look. All right, let's take a look at the cover. I think the cover for a digital portfolio is very interesting. Um, it would never fly for a print portfolio because we're in print. We're looking for something much more subtle, more of a white or a very, very, very um, neutral light tan or gray. I always suggest a white background for print portfolio. Anyways, you're sitting in front of me at my desk, and I'm interviewing you, and the first thing I'm going to say is this your design right here? Did you put this together? This Photoshop, the graphic? And if the answer is no, then we've got severe problems from this moment on in the rest of the portfolio. If this isn't your work, get rid of it. And use your own work, okay? Because if the answer to that question, if I say, oh, Petunia, this is nice, is this your work? And you say, oh, no, I placed that from so-and-so. And I'm gonna go, oh, wow, okay, so now you're not showing originality from page one. Just being honest with you, Bettina, I interview 600 designers a year. I probably look at 30 to 70 portfolios a month. So I mean, I do a lot of this, and that's exactly how I'm going to handle that situation. Let's go ahead and come on down here. Okay, what is this doing? This shouldn't be in our in. Let me show you what we got here. Okay, what's due this week? Okay, so if you go to the portfolio audit form, now this is available in week one. If you go over to week one and then go to portfolio evaluation and audit, you can download this guy right here, and it tells you exactly what to do in what week it's due. Then if you go to week one and then you download this guy, what to include for your digital diploma requirements, that would show you this paper right, or this list of requirements right here. Okay, so cross referencing these two, we are in week three. Okay, so what to do? We don't have corporate identity because that's not part of the diploma requirement. So that shouldn't be in there. It's not on here. Okay, so again, what's due this week? Corporate identity is not part of it. It leaves web and digital media and week three and publication design. So we have web, digital media, and publication design due this week. Let's go back to your presentation. Okay, I'm not going to comment on this because it's not due this week. Likewise, okay, this piece, you know what, I will comment. You have put it in, okay. If you didn't design this, then take it out, design your own pray button, and put it in, okay? And then these are packaging design, and these are CD design. This isn't packaging design. This is CD design. So let's look at this piece, corporate identity. This is a basic flyer. This isn't corporate identity. Corporate identity is when you develop a logo for a company and you use that logo and a letterhead and a business card and a stationery envelope and some of the design collateral. This is a basic, this is called a duplex, meaning it's printed on both flyers. This is just a flyer. My suggestion here, it's done very well. My suggestion here is I would take this guy here and I would align these so that they align the same on each page, because when your viewer turns the page, you can see that jump like that. And it's going to cause an unusual visual tension just for a second. So you want to watch that. This looks good. I like the pattern background. I would use the same pattern on this purple side because this is just lovely color continuation too. This is a lovely piece. This is the wrong image in the background there. It looks like she's singing or something. It's just too confusing. Let's get rid of that and just use another one of those patterns back there. Okay. Now you're coming into publication design, which is due this week, but publication design, if we look at the requirements, publication design, okay, you have an annual report or another multi-page editorial design. That's publication design. The key word here is multi-page, okay? Publication design. Here, cover, table of contents, and at least one page spread. That's multi-page. This would be a digital grid system tabloid design. I don't know if you've designed one. That tabloid is basically the size 11 by 17. So if you've designed something with this tight grid at 11 by 17, that would certainly be acceptable as one of the requirements. Okay, so we go back here, and this publication, this is a flyer, self-admittedly. So this is not a publication. Okay. Again, corporate identity. This isn't corporate identity. This is, I'm not sure what it is. Is it a billboard? Is it a logo? This is a logo. I don't. We'll talk about all this stuff when the time comes. If you want to include this stuff as some of your electives. I see what that image is now, and again, it's not a good image to use in that piece right there. I would use that abstract kind of geometric pattern. Okay, website looks good, but why is it so wide? This should be a responsive website, meaning that if I grab that handle down there and drag it in, this whole thing should shrink accordingly. Okay, so right now you've got, if I were to grab right here, it's got this whole, why is this so wide over here? It's white. It's like the information is lost here in the middle. So you want to redesign that. Okay, and let's get that more responsively designed so that you don't have all of this white space over here. Okay, all right, work on that stuff. And remember, you got to really, I mean, I want to spend time commenting on your work, but I have to have the right pieces to comment on, because otherwise I'm kind of spinning my wheels. Do you understand what I'm saying? That's why it's so important for you to take a look at the requirements here and the requirements here. This is the digital diploma graphic design list of requirements, and this is the portfolio audit form. So between those two, cross-referencing should be pretty easy. Okay? Other than that, I mean, your design looks good, and I'm really, like I said, I'm just really super impressed. This is a gorgeous piece right here. Okay, so any questions, comments, concerns, or if anything isn't making sense, feel free. I hope you're super comfortable getting with me, because I'm a pretty nice guy, and I like helping students. So get with me at any time you want. Okay, thank you very much, Bettina. Good job.